How to reply to a specific message on WhatsApp. Super useful in busy chat. Let's get into it. First, open the WhatsApp and go to the chat where you want to reply to a specific message. Now, if you are using Android, tap and hold the message you want to reply to. And if you are using iPhone, swipe right on the message. Now, tap the reply icon, a curved arrow that appears at the top. Now, type in your reply in the input box. Now tap send. And your reply will be clearly linked to the specific message. This works in both private and group chat, helping avoid confusion when replying in long conversation. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and tap the bell icon for more WhatsApp tutorial. Got any questions? Drop them in the comment below. Thanks for watching.